Hello guys, in this video I'm going to make the comparison between Replit versus Cursor. Which one is better? Let's get started. If you are a coder, you can choose Replit if you want to code instantly in the browser, or if you need online collaboration. You can choose Replit if you want to host, to deploy and preview web application easily. You can choose Replit if you are learning or prototyping quickly, or if you are a student or you are a beginner, you can choose Replit. Now, if you are a coder and you choose Cursor, that means you want powerful local development plus AI assistant. If you choose Cursor, you want speed and deep AI integrations, generate, edit code with GPT-4 Turbo. If you choose Cursor, you will work on real-world projects. So that is the advantages of each Replit and Cursor. Depending on your level in coding, you can make a choice between Replit and Cursor. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, like it, subscribe, and see you.